everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I have another lovely yard sale haul to share with you. I actually only went to 3 yard sales on Saturday, and that was enough. We found some really great items, and I just can't wait to show them to you. I just picked up 3 clothing items, and at this sale it was fill a bag for $1. So they only charged me $1 for all 3 of these clothing items. And the first is this really cute sweater from Old Navy. You guys notice? I really like this color. I found this really nice pair of corduroy dress pants for Clivey. These are size 4T, you guys. They're Calvin Klein, but these will probably fit him this fall. He is so tall for his age. The last clothing piece didn't end up fitting me, which is a bummer, but I'll put it up on POSHMARK if you wear a size medium. This is a Tommy Hilfiger shirt, and I was thinking 4th of July. I like to wear something kind of, you know, patriotic 4th of July. But it's cool because it has this nice like split design there on the back, so it's something kind of extra, and it has the little low curved back. It kind of dips down lower. And the sleeve has this nice extra detail, kind of reminds me of a baseball tee. So anyway, I thought that was nice. That'll be on my POSHMARK if you're interested. Okay, fun stuff time. We went to this sale, and a friend of mine who does vintage sales, like she finds things to sell at like the different vintage markets in the area, she posted that one of her friends who does the vintage sales with her was doing a clear out sale, like a yard sale. And so I looked at all the things that her friend had listed. Hatboxes was one of them, and I knew I wanted to try to find another hatbox for Molly's room for storage. Well, that yard sale was such a gem. It was a yard sailor's dream. But again, you know, we're trying to be really selective. So Molly picked out this really pretty dish. It has a sweet scallop design around the edge with like this little detail and a floral print on the inside as well as gold on the rim. On the back, it says Rosemarie, Japan. So this was just 25 cents, and she basically threw it in for free. She didn't charge us the quarter for this, which was really sweet. And Molly's using this to hold her watch and any jewelry she's worn for the day on her dresser. This woman had the most gorgeous collection of vintage books. It was so hard to not buy every single one, but we picked the one that was our favorite. We loved the spine and the color of this green one. A lot of the books we've picked up are in the pink shades and burgundies, so we thought we would go for a different shade. It's the French classical romances, and Molly was so cute because she picked it up and she said, like the romance of the forest. So if you've watched Emma or read Emma, one of the characters talks about this book, The Romance of the Forest. So we went ahead and bought it. It was only $1, which is a great price. It's from 1902. And I just absolutely loved the typography on the inside. There's actually a photograph of the author on the inside. So at the same sale where I got the clothes, we picked up this book as well for Molly's room. This is for her to enjoy for reading material this summer, not so much as a display piece. So I mentioned that we were excited that this woman had listed hat boxes, and when we arrived she still had like 5 or 6, and so we made a beeline for the hat boxes. And we saw this one, and this is the one Molly picked. It's huge. It's so big, and it's so pretty. It has like this beautiful rose pattern with this cream colored background on the top and on the sides, and it has like a daintier version of the same pattern around the rim with this sort of peachy pink colored polka dot ribbon. And the polka dot makes it a little modern, but we're okay with that. And it's just such a great size. She's actually tucked inside of here all the things she needs for bedtime. So her linen spray, her blankie, her flashlight, her reading lamp. This is just a great storage piece. And it was only $5. Another piece we were just thrilled to find for Molly's room, and this will give you just a little sneak peek into how the room's coming together, was this gorgeous cream colored bed skirt. Now the size on it said queen, but I was taking the risk that it would fit her full-size bed frame pretty similarly than it does to a queen, and I was absolutely right. But it has a crocheted lace detailed along the bottom, and it's so beautiful. We had looked at some of these online and they were selling for like $40 to $50, and that was just too much money. This was only $4. $4! I couldn't believe it. So we purchased that for her room as well. Now, last but not least, this is my favorite thing that we found, and it's so pretty. We got this really pretty piece of artwork, and this was also only $5. It's really pretty. It looks like it might have even been DIY'd on this like lightweight piece of wood, but there's this gorgeous rose print in the middle, and along the side there's this texture of white and sort of this stucco type appearance of the white, and it just is such a stunning piece. I can't wait to hang this up in her room. It's so pretty. So I think altogether we spent something like $17, and we got some serious deals for Molly's bedroom. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the beautiful things we found for Molly's room. Let me know what you liked best, and we will have her room tour coming up fairly soon. We have a big piece of furniture that we have to go pick up from the city, and that's just hard to coordinate as far as like borrowing a truck and going to pick it up. But that's what we're waiting for to show you guys. So anyway, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you can see Molly's beautiful Jane Austen inspired bedroom tour coming up, hopefully in the next, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks. Crossing my fingers there. Also, I'll be sharing more yard sale hauls, so if you love yard sale hauls, I hope you'll hit that red subscribe button. You guys take care, and I will be back with more soon. Bye!